have seen Hot Wheels motorshow 5-pack 17 Acura NSX. Link is in description. Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you are all fine. Second car of the Hot Wheels motorshow 5-pack is the Corvette C8R. It is based on Corvette C8. Corvette C8R is a Grand Tourer which is built by Pratt Miller and Chevrolet for endurance racing. C8R is powered by 5.5-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine, can generate 500 horsepower, paired with 6-speed sequential manual transmission. Corvette C8R in blue color looks good. C8R badging at the side of the car and white stripes at the bottom is good. Minor details on wheels. Black painted straps from hood to roof and Corvette logo on bonnet is nicely detailed. You can see the big air intake and diffuser at the front and big black diffuser at the car is made very well. Headlights are made from acrylic. Big spoiler at the rear make it sporty and aggressive. Rear shows features of the car but not much detail. Base of the car is made from black plastic. So guys, do you like this car? Comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Stay tuned.